Good morning, dear students. Now what is this? See, this is a pond. Here is a pond. This is a frog sitting over here, and the frog has a friend, a duck. But the duck is on the other side of the pond, right? The frog is missing his friend. You also miss your friends nowadays, isn't it? You don't come to school, so you miss your friends, right? Similarly, this frog is missing his friend, the duck, and he wants to meet the duck. And he has to reach the duck. So how he will go? He'll jump on these rocks. You can see these colorful rocks in the pond. Yes? So he'll jump on them and then go to the duck. So let's see how many rocks are there in this pond. Should we count them? Let us write their number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we see there are 7 rocks in the pond, right? Now the frog will have to jump on these 7 rocks to reach his friend, the duck. Fine. बेटा now these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ये जो आपने numbers लिखे हैं they have a name. They are known as cardinal numbers. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Cardinal numbers, right? इनका नेम है cardinal numbers. ये numbers हमें क्या बताते हैं? ये numbers हमें बताते हैं किसी भी नंबर किसी भी चीज की क्वांटिटी के बारे में, नंबर के बारे में, कि कोई भी चीज कितनी है. जैसे here we were counting the rocks. हमें पता करना था कितने rocks हैं. We counted the rocks and we found there were 7 rocks, right? तो ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ये cardinal numbers हैं जिससे हमने इनको count किया rocks को. Fine? They tell us the number, the quantity of the rocks. Fine. Now when the frog starts jumping on the rocks, he jumps on the first rock. फर्स्ट रॉक पे जंप किया, ठीक है. तो जो रॉक नंबर 1 है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट रॉक. इसको हम लिखते हैं ऐसे, फर्स्ट. 1 के ऊपर ST लिखा मैम ने, फर्स्ट. देन ही जम्प्स ऑन टू द सेकेंड रॉक. आई राइट हियर सेकेंड. ये 2 लिखा और ऊपर मैम ने यहां लिखा ND, ठीक है. ऊपर लिखो, साइड पे लिखो. देन ही जम्प्स ऑन द थर्ड रॉक. थर्ड कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 3 लिखा और यहां लिखा मैम ने RD, राइट. देन ही विल हैव टू जंप ऑन द फोर्थ रॉक. रॉक नंबर 4, फोर्थ रॉक. ये जो हम फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, ये क्या है? ये पोजीशंस हैं कि कौन सी पोजीशन पर है ये रॉक, है ना. दिस इज द फिफ्थ रॉक. देन द फ्रॉग जंप्स ऑन टू द सिक्स्थ रॉक एंड देन ही जंप्स ऑन टू द seventh rock, right? And then finally he will jump here and reach his friend the duck, right? So now these numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, ये numbers हमें इन rocks की position बता रहे हैं कि कौन सा rock कौन से position पे है. Suppose I ask you on which position is the rock number 4 or the yellow rock. On which position is the yellow rock? Then you will not say 4, you will say 4th position. Okay, आप क्या बोलेंगे? 4th position. On which position is the purple rock? 6th position, right? So the numbers first, second, third, fourth, इनको हम बोलते हैं ordinal numbers. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? These are known as ordinal numbers. Right? Now you understand the difference between cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are the numbers जो आप counting में use करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Right? These are the cardinal numbers. They tell us about the quantity or the number. Right? And ordinal numbers are first, second, third and so on. ठीक है. These are the ordinal numbers. They tell us about the position. ये किसके बारे में बताते हैं? Position. अगर हम किसी चीज की position के बारे में बात करें, then we will use the ordinal numbers. And when we are talking about the number or the quantity, then we are using the cardinal numbers. Right, beta? I hope you have all understood.
Now look here, beta. How many birds are these? These are 5 birds. Now 5 is a cardinal number, right? And if I ask you on which position is the green bird, what will you say? Third position. Red bird, second position. These are ordinal numbers. Now here, there is a word written butterfly. We'll count how many letters are there in butterfly. There are 9 letters in butterfly. ऊपर लिखा है ये 1 से लेकर 9 तक जो numbers लिखे हैं, these are the cardinal numbers, right? Now if I ask you in what position is R, you will say 6th position, isn't it? On which position is L, you will say 8th position. On which position is B, फर्स्ट पोजीशन. ऑन विच पोजीशन इज यू, सेकेंड पोजीशन. तो यहाँ आप सब नंबर्स के ऊपर उनकी पोजीशंस भी लिखी हैं. दीज आर द ऑर्डिनल नंबर नेम्स, राइट? ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. Now in this picture you can see there are 12 bears who have formed a line and they are going towards a tree. Tree की तरफ जा रहे हैं. And on every bear is written the position of the bear. इन पर पोजीशन लिखी है, लाइन में कौन सी पोजीशन पे है. दिस इज देयर ऑर्डिनल नंबर. Right? You have to learn these.
Now here in your book, you can see here it's written ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell us about the order or the position. In the picture, you can see the animals are having a race. There is a race in the jungle where various animals are participating in that race, and you can see the position. Everyone's position is written over here. Just like you write number names. Number names लिखते हैं ना, 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2. Similarly, यहाँ पर आपको ordinal numbers के ordinal number names दिए गए हैं. These are the ordinal number names, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you see, this leopard is at the first position. Horse is coming second. This dog is third. Cock is on the fourth position. And who is on the 5th position? This is the tortoise, right? Turtle or the tortoise. Fine. Now if I ask you which animal is on the 3rd position, what will you say? What will be your answer? You will say the dog. Which animal is on the 1st position? The leopard, right? First, जो अभी मैम ने आपको बताया था, like you write this first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, right? Now these were the ordinal numbers and these are the ordinal number names. Now you all know about the months of the year, right? You all have learned that there are 12 months in a year, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months we have. Now this 12 is the cardinal number. 12 is the cardinal number, and here we are having their ordinal numbers, which is the first month of the year. January. January is the first month. Which is the 12th month of the year? This is December. December is the 12th month. Which is the 5th month of the year? 5th month is May. अभी कौन सा month चल रहा है? It's July now. So July, you can see July is the 7th month of the year. July is the 7th month of the year. You all write the date. Date लिखते हैं ना आप नोटबुक पे जब भी काम करते हैं? Yes or no? Like today's date is 2nd July. So I write down 2. 2nd 2 July है आज. I write down 7. 7 क्या है? 2 आज की डेट है बेटा. 7 is the month. 7 is the month. So July is the 7th month. That's why we are writing 7. Okay? And then we write here 20. 20 is the year. अभी आजकल कौन सा ईयर चल रहा है? 2020. So वो 2020 का हम 2 यहाँ लिखते हैं. So this way you form the date that you write in the notebook. Right? Now let us look here, order of the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days, you know that. Which is the first day of the week? Sunday is the first day. Right? बहुत सारी बुक्स में बेटा संडे को लास्ट डे 7th डे बोलते हैं, मंडे को फर्स्ट डे बोलते हैं, बट मोस्टली इन मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज क्या होता है, संडे इज कंसिडर्ड एज द first day, right? Sunday is the first day and Saturday is the seventh day, the last day of the week, right? Which is the third day of the week? Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day, right? Now today is Thursday, isn't it? So Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Okay? So this way you can have the order of the days of the week, order or the position of the days of the week, right? Now order of numbers in counting: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the cardinal numbers over here, normal numbers that you write. Then this is their ordinal number name and this is the ordinal number that you are writing over here, right? You'll have to learn this. You all have to learn these spellings: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, beta? So in your book, since it is till 12th, you will learn the spellings till 12th. Now let us do this exercise. Here there are positions of the cars in the race. You have to write the position of the cars. Car race हो रही है यहाँ पर. Okay, we'll write the position. So this is the first car. This car has stood first. We'll write here first, right? और ये कब लिख पाओगे आप? When you know the spellings. So you have to learn these spellings. Second, third, and I am writing in cursive. Now you all know how to write in cursive. Fourth, and this is fifth. Fifth is written already, right? In the same way, you will write the order of the numbers in the counting. Number 1 is first, number 2 is second, right? In the same way, keep on filling this, and when you reach 12, this will be the 12th number, right? So fill in these and learn them. Now let's fill in the blanks over here. In the week, Monday is the dash day. Monday is the second day. अभी हमने किया कि Sunday is the first day and Monday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day. Okay, Wednesday is the fourth day, right? Now Sunday is the first day. Sunday is the first day of the week and dash is the sixth day. Which is the sixth day? You can look at the table. जो आपके बैक पेज पर टेबल दी हुई है बेटा, you can look at that and then learn. Friday is the sixth day. Okay? In the year, January is the first month. Again, I am writing first क्योंकि January first month है. March is the third month. April is the fourth month. And dash is the ninth. Now, which is the ninth month? Check the table. It is September. September is the ninth month. In lion, now lion नाम लिखा है, name लिखा है. The third letter is, look here, first, second, third. So third letter is O. And the fourth letter is N. N. In number फिर से एक word लिखा है. The letter E comes. Letter E को देखो कौन से position पे है. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, isn't it? E comes fifth. And the letter R comes. R E के बाद आ रहा है on the sixth position. Right? Now write the order of the letters of the alphabet. Again you have to fill in this table, order of the alphabets. Which is the first letter? A. So A के आगे हम लिखेंगे first. D is the fourth letter, it's written over here. B is the second letter. Right? I'm writing here second. Then C is the third letter. Right? G जी को काउंट करके देखिए. Let's count A, B, C, D, E, then again F, G. So this is the seventh letter. G is the seventh letter. 7 number पर आया. We'll write down seventh letter. H will be eighth letter. Right, beta? Then J is the 10th letter. And I is the 9th letter. Right? आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप फिंगर्स पे काउंट कर सकते हैं लेटर्स को, और या फिर आप ABCD यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट इट डाउन ऑन द पेपर एंड देन यू कैन काउंट कि कौन से नंबर पे कौन सा लेटर आ रहा है. फाइन. Now revise all that, do practice, learn the spellings of the ordinal number names. That's all for today. Bye-bye.